Okay, hello everyone, welcome to our Wealth Hero channel. So today I'm going to talk about how to catch the EV trend in the stock market. So when we talk about electric vehicle, what is the stock, number one stock that you think of? What is the number one stock that comes to your mind? That is Tesla, right? Okay, so over here, I think a lot of people, they'll be looking at Tesla, looking at NIO, looking at Xiaopeng, looking at all these car makers company, and everybody, right, is trying to say, oh, Tesla is the best, or maybe you should look at Ford, you should look at BYD. Okay, there's so many of this car maker. Okay, you probably be thinking like, which one? Okay, which one should I be looking at, which one should I watch, okay, closely, right? So over here, if you have followed us on the previous video, okay, or previous our webinar, okay, if you follow me on my webinar, market update webinar, you'll be knowing that I'll always talk about not just focusing on the car maker, but also look at this thing called the lithium battery. So while all these car maker, right, they are trying to produce the best electric vehicle, one thing, okay, that you can observe is the electric vehicle all needs batteries, okay? So whether it is Ford, whether it is Tesla, whether it is BYD, whether it is whatever brand that you like, so all of them need one thing, okay, to be electric vehicle. They need what? They need the batteries, the lithium batteries. So today, right, okay, is a very interesting day. Today, if you look at the ETF, okay, this ETF, right, is the lithium battery ETF. It is called LIT. The stock code, right, is LIT. And this lithium battery ETF, right, is breaking out of this new high, breaking out of this consolidation. So you can see that this could be a start of a new trend. That means for the past 2 months, in August, in September, it is going on this sideways pattern, but now it is breaking out of the new highs. So this is a good sign. In technical terms, we call it breaking of the resistance. Okay, breaking out of the resistance. So over here, okay, this of course is not the number one stock that you want to be looking at. I'm saying here is, why not? Okay, if you want to learn more about electric vehicle, you want to learn more about lithium battery, what you can do is you go and Google, okay, this lithium battery ETF, which is this LIT. You will come to this page, okay, by Global X. Okay, so this lithium and battery tech ETF. So this website shows you, okay, what is inside this ETF, what stocks is inside this ETF. Okay, so by the way, if you like this video, please remember to click like and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of this kind of video. Okay, so over here, okay, you look at this page, okay, you go down and you will see, okay, you will see one interesting thing here, which is the top holdings. So this ETF, okay, ETF stands for Exchange Traded Funds, which means the fund managers are not going to trade in and out actively. The fund manager is just going to buy and allocate for one time, okay, maybe once or twice a year, okay, with this allocation based on certain criteria, okay, certain criteria. So basically it's a passively managed funds. That's why it's called ETF, right? So over here, okay, you can see that among all these, right, the biggest net asset, okay, percentage, 14.3%, is actually this company called Albemarle, okay, Albemarle. So ALB, the stock code is ALB. Have you heard about this before? Okay, probably not, right? Okay, so most people are focusing on Tesla, right? So over here, okay, this is one of the biggest holding in this ETF, okay, in this ETF. And I would say that, it's good that we take a look at the chart, right? So if you take a look at this ALB, right, okay, you can see that this stock, okay, has been going on an uptrend, okay, going on an uptrend. So, ever since this like Tesla or this EV companies are picking up. So this is also doing the same pattern. So over here, good news here is this. Okay, good news here is this stock, okay, recently had a pullback. Okay, the market, right, also had a pullback over here, and this pullback, right, is actually, if you look at the overall trend, is considered a very small pullback. It's about 15% pullback from the highest point. Okay, so when we look at the stocks, right, okay, when the stock have a small pullback, this we call it the stronger stock. Okay, stocks that crash down like crazy, those to us, usually we find that the volatility is a bit too high. So in other words, this ALB, okay, is worth watching. It's worth watching to put in our watch list. Okay, whether or not it will perform next month, we will review this video and we see how it goes, right? Okay, so over here, this ALB is one of the stocks, and the other stocks, okay, you will see that this is Yunnan Energy. Okay, you will see that this is a Ganfeng Lithium, Contemporary Amperex. Okay, all these, right, the number 2, number 3, number 4, they are mostly listed in China. Okay, they are mostly listed in China. So that means, this lithium battery is mostly produced in where? Okay, it's mostly produced in China, right? Okay, so if you want to go further down, then you will see one of the popular name, which is this company called BYD. So BYD is the Hong Kong listed one, 1211. Okay, so this Hong Kong listed BYD, one of the biggest shareholder is Berkshire Hathaway, which is Warren Buffett, right? So over the past, Warren Buffett has been investing on these stocks for a long time, like probably more than 10 years. Okay, so over here you can see that this stock, okay, these stocks last year is doing very well, but after that, beginning of 2021, the Hong Kong market, okay, actually crashed. Stocks like Tencent, stocks like Meituan, okay, all these big companies, right, all of them, right, okay, is actually doing very badly. Okay, so if you look at Tencent, so you can see that Tencent, as a one of the biggest stocks in the Hong Kong exchange, it is down since February. Okay, it's down since February 2021, and so far it is still down like 30%. Okay, but at the same time, okay, while the market is doing so badly, okay, this BYD, if you look at from February until now, it is outperforming the market. Okay, it's outperforming the market. So in other words, is this BYD, right? Okay, unlike most of the other stocks, right? Okay, it's actually considerably in the stronger sector, or it is a stronger stocks. Okay, so over here, of course, you can't leave Tesla out. Tesla is also one of the stocks over there, and then you got Japan stock, Panasonic. Okay, you got LG Chemical, you got like other stocks over here. So in other words, okay, is today, right? Okay, if you are looking for a lithium company to study, okay, a lithium company to invest, where is the best place, okay, to find this stock? So this is the most important part of this video. Okay, the most important part is where to find all these stocks to invest. Okay, basically, if you're looking for lithium company stocks, just search for this ETF, because this ETF mainly, okay, invests in lithium companies. So if you don't know what to invest because there are so many of them and you like all of them, right, then this ETF could be suitable for you, because by investing in an ETF, you are not choosing which stocks is going up. Okay, you are choosing the overall sectors. Basically, when you invest, okay, you actually like what we call, you buy all of them with the allocation like 14%, 6%, 6% on Ganfeng, 6.5% on Yunnan, okay, 14.3% on this ALB. Okay, so when you buy an ETF, basically you buy the whole lot. Okay, you buy the whole thing. So some people must be wondering, buy this ETF, there's so many stocks out there, must be very expensive, right? Is it very expensive? Okay, so you can go to Poems. Okay, how do you search for these stocks? Okay, you search LIT. Okay, LIT, and this purple color one is the ETF. And this ETF, right? Okay, this ETF, right? You can see is $88, and the minimum purchase, right, is 1 share. So 1 shares you buy is $88, but of course don't buy 1 share. Okay, 1 share, you know, it's not enough, right? Okay, if you calculate with the commission and stuff, right? So over here, if you buy example, okay, 50 shares. 50 shares will cost you $4,000 over USD, and of course, for US stocks, you don't have to buy 100 shares. Okay, 100 shares. So by the way, this session is not to tell you that you're supposed to buy this, or this is not a recommendation to buy the ETF or the stocks. This session, this videos is basically just to show you, number one, where do you find all these, you know, lithium batteries companies, okay, that can ride on this EV trend, okay, EV trend, electric vehicle trend. And number two, if you don't know what to buy but you still want to invest in this what we call the whole sector, okay, then ETF, okay, ETF is basically an instrument that consists of all these stocks, okay, all these stocks. All right, so over here, hope you learned something in this video. Okay, remember, you know, if you want to check out more of our videos, remember to like and subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell so that you'll get a notification whenever we put on a new video. Okay, and one last thing over here is, let me know in the comment, okay, what are the other things that you would like to find out. I hope that we can do some videos that you actually need to know more. Okay, so let me know in the comment below, okay, and see you next time.